And it zoomed in a whole bunch. Hey, alright, so I have some leftover lilac that I've been saving and it needs to get used. So last year I made some really great lilac syrup and I was gonna blog about it and then it just never happened, and then I don't know, in the midst of everything and COVID and Mother's Day, I don't know, it just didn't get put out. So here I am. We're gonna do round 2 this year, the annual lilac picking at my mother's house in the rain this year happened. And so yeah, we're just gonna get started. I will post the ingredients. What are you doing? Hey, we're gonna make syrup. What? You wanna make some lilac syrup?
Sure.
Okay.
Sounds interesting.
It is interesting. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I ruin this?
You didn't ruin it.
Oh.
You're cute. Why would you ruin it?
I don't know. I was just wondering if I did.
Oh, look how cute you are.
Oh.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah, it's not making a syrup.
Okay, so we are gonna go find a really nice lilac bush and harvest the freshest lilac we can find. Try and avoid brown spots and make sure that your lilac is not sprayed with any pesticides. You don't want to use that in your food. So we're going to cut enough blooms to fill about 4 cups worth and bring those inside. They're so pretty. Okay, so inside, I sped this up a little because it does take a little bit of time, but you're going to want to get all of the petals into a measuring cup so you can measure out the 4 cups worth. And from there, we're still pulling off the petals. You do want to try and avoid getting any of the green pieces, stem bits, or leaves in there because they're kind of bitter. So try to avoid that if at all possible. There you go. Keep going until you get 4 cups, and then we rinse. We want to make sure you get all the little buggies, any of the debris off of your petals. Yep. Give it a good rinse. Shake it off. Okay, now we make our syrup. So we're going to take 2 cups of water, and we're going to put that in a nice saucepan and bring it to a boil. There we go. And then we're going to take 2 cups of sugar. So equal amounts of sugar and water, and get that up to a boil. Make sure you stir it around really good. Get it evenly distributed and dissolved. Once it's dissolved, you want to turn off the heat, and then we're going to add our petals in. Get all 4 cups in there really good. Squish it down, stir it around. There we go. Get that all mixed in there. And then we're going to let that steep. We'll just take it off the burner completely, move it to the back of the stove, and we'll let that sit for about 2 hours. And we're going to come back after 2 hours. That was a quick 2 hours. But we're going to come back and strain it back into the measuring cup so it's easy to pour into bottles. Okay, and that's how you make lilac syrup. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today and harvesting some lilac and making some syrup. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have fun and make some delicious drinks. I've mixed it with a few things, made some Italian sodas for the kids, and it turns out really well. So I hope you like it. Thanks.